Alright, so I have watched this much of a video of the guys from Syntax doing a CSS battle. Looks like they are on battle 168 and they have given themselves a 15-minute timer, so I'm going to do the same. So, battle 168, starting the timer now. Alright, I'm going to approach this as a bunch of box shadows. So let's select. Actually, I don't even think I need to select a background. I'll say star, margin 0. And then paragraph selector, but I would need a paragraph. And I'll have more than one, but it's easy for me to confuse myself if I start with more than one. All right, so padding. I'm going to go ahead, position, next, padding. Padding is going to be, it needs to be half the screen width. So it's going to be, I'm going to make it 100. 100. Background. I'm going to make it the orange color. Margin minus, we need a colon, not a semicolon, minus 100 minus 140, 60. Let's see if that's the right place. Not quite. Minus 180, and then minus 130, 130. That gets it to the right place. Then I'm going to say color is this blue, because color on a box shadow defaults to the color element. And then box shadow, I want to move it 20 pixels, 20 pixels. That worked for the first one. Then I'm going to do 40 pixels, 40 pixels. And here I have to say blue. Yeah. Why did that not work? Oh, that's the wrong color. Orange. I want orange, not blue. There we go. Then I want 60 pixels, 60 pixels, and 80 pixels, 80 pixels. This color again. 100 pixels, 100 pixels, 120 pixels, 120 pixels, color, and then 140 pixels. Oops, not a semicolon, not a comma there. 140 pixels, 140 pixels. Oh, I didn't make my box quite big enough, and that's going to mess everything up. But that's okay. Just have to move it. 100, 150, 70, 220. There. Okay, that should be okay. Now, I need another paragraph. And I'm going to select it with plus P. Now it's going to be margin minus 220. And then 170. Okay, with the diff, that's really confusing. And now I need to rotate 90 degrees. Let's make that 270, 350, 30. Let's see how that looks. That looks perfect. Now, if I were smart, I could WebKit box-reflect these. Let's see. I'm not smart. Kit box reflect. I don't know how this works. Reflect down, bottom. Maybe it's bottom. 100 pixels. Not getting that to work at all. I don't know how that works. So I'm going to solve it Jason's stupid way. I'm going to select another p tag. Margin. I'm going to stop the recording because I'm going to get a visitor. All right, starting again. I forgot to pause my timer, so I lost some time. I don't know how much. I've 7 minutes left. So margin 150. Minus 170. That's not going to be right, but and then I need to rotate 80. Nope. 270. That's it. Now margin is going to be 250, 290, 280. That looks right. And one more plus P. This one's going to be rotate 180 big, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is it? There it is. All right, margin's going to be 280. There we go. And 330. That should be a match. Okay, that is a match. Can I save characters here and there? Yes. I could try converting all these pixel values to cues. I may do that. We'll see. Margin I use quite a few times. Let's go ahead, variabilize that, and 0. All right, now everywhere I use the word margin, I can just use minus M. Background I only use once, padding I only use once, position fixed I'm using. I don't want to fight with that right now. Box shadow I just use once, rotate is the only other one. It's only going to get 9 characters, and it's going to cost me more than 9 characters to make that into a variable, so I'm going to leave that. This one I can cheat a little bit. This one I can cheat a little bit. All right, let's see. 21Q. 21Q. Let's see if it's still a match. Yeah, good enough. This one, let's try 42Q. And 42Q. Whoops, not 8Q. That doesn't look as good. That's still a match. 63Q. Looking worse. Still working. Looking even worse. Still working. 105Q, 5Q, 3 minutes left. Actually, 3.5 minutes left. Still matching. 126Q, 6Q, looking worse. Still a match. 47Q, 147Q. Three minutes left. Everything else is pretty tight. So, gonna start just minifying. 2.5 minutes. Whoops, I just broke something. I don't know what I broke. But something. Oh, I have an extra cursor there and there. Could have selected one more line there. Or a bunch more lines actually. So there's my solution, 294 characters. I will finish the syntax video and see how I compare it against those guys.